Now, this is the Catalina Bird Park. It contains the largest collection of birds in the United States, in fact, in the world.
How interesting.
Some very marvelous specimens. African crowned cranes.
Looks like a shaving brush with wings.
They don't get crowned till after they're married.
How domestic.
Mm-hmm. A Chinese mandarin duck sails with its wings.
Darn clever, these Chinese. Pardon the memory.
A bleeding heart dove. Notice the red spot.
Looks like he dropped ketchup on his vest.
I see. Golden pheasants. Aren't they rich in plumage?
I thought pheasants were poor French people.
No, little girl. These are birds.
What's that one with a question mark neck and sideburns?
A demoiselle crane. Usually comes from Belgium.
And sometimes from eggs.
Oh. White egrets. It's against the law to wear them.
Oh, Jen, I brought along my scissors.
Shh, be careful.
What's the matter? Some of these birds stool pigeons?
Flamingos.
How would you like to keep those babies in silk stockings?
I pass.
You should. Mama, what's theirs?
A companion crane from Australia.
Which one is his companion?
Any of them.
Oh, he's democratic.
Hmm.
Sir Herbert, better put on your rubbers. Oh, he's a flapper.
Watch him cut up.
Maybe he's dancing with tears in his eyes. Stop for me. You might be hurt. Come on, whistle for me.
A whistling wood duck. The only duck that nests in a tree. They're very tame.
Come on, Jimmy. Tame. He eats off your hand, rings and all.
A black swan from Australia.
Ooh, look at that long neck. What a sore throat he could have.
Good.
Come on up here, Jimmy. Ow!
Listen to that baby yodel.
Come here. Look here. Look, come here. You can bite my finger. Come here. Come on, look here. Here.
A Donaldson Taraka from Africa. It eats nothing but fruit and never pays for it.
Oh, we have them in this country, but we call them policemen.
Look out, the next time you get a traffic ticket, you'll pay cash.
I always do.
Oh, I see. That's a Victoria crown pigeon, the largest of the pigeon family. You know, it's valued at about $250.
Can you imagine it? A pigeon dinner for $250 a pigeon?
A pigeon? Imagine a hat with that headdress on it. Oh, boy.
There's a pair of Impian pheasants from Afghanistan. Say, the male's considered the most brilliant of iridescent colored birds in the world. They're valued from $600 to $700 a pair.
I'll bet he's conceited.
Do you blame him?
No, not at those prices.
Those are Nyassa lovebirds.
Lovebirds. Imagine being in love with no more privacy than that.
Lovebird.
Baron, I'm not a bird. What's that?
A Brazilian toucan.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't have mentioned it.
Take a look at that beak.
Looks like an old Franklin. To cinch he didn't come from Ireland.
Uh-oh.
Look at the big chicken.
That's not a chicken. The Serum cassowary. Comes from the Antipodes. Looks like a turkey, kicks like a mule, and has a nasty disposition.
Well, that's Sam and casserole. What do you expect with a name like that? The habits of a canary? Still looks like a big chicken to me.
A Corilla cockatoo from Australia. They've nicknamed it Itchy Scratchy.
It sounds Japa sneezy. What kind of a bird is it?
The tri-colored lories from South America.
Hello, baby.
Laka laka.
Oh, his neck. Here's It's a blue hyacinth macaw from South America. His name's Alma. Isn't that right?
How much is he worth?
Oh, around $2,500.
Must be the real macaw. Why is he named Alma?
I don't know. That's his name.
That macaw with the orange breast was born in South America.
I suppose his parents were living there at the time.
Casaco.
How old is he?
He was 20 years of age last June.
How long did it take you to train him?
Over 19 years?
19 years?
Yes.
How long do they live to be?
Some live to be over 165 years of age.
They do?
Hello, love. Are you happy?
Happy?
You got a bad cold? Got a bad cold? Oh, very bad cold. Very bad cold. Stand to Chompton. Rock-a-bye, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop.
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop.
Rock-a-bye,
Rock-a-bye,
rock-a-bye.
rock-a-bye, baby.
Little boy blue, little boy blue.
Little boy blue, little boy.
Ding dong bell, ding,
Ding dong bell.
pussy in the well. The naughty bad boy. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Peek-a-boo. Ye crags and ye peaks, I'm with you once again. I'm with
Not a bad boy. Well, we better go. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye-bye. Goodbye-bye, pretty Polly. Shut the door. We'll close the door. Oh, Baron. Isn't that parrot cute?
Well,
Look, Frankie, what's that?
a cockeyed owl.
It looks like my friend Ben Turpin. Please, Baron.
It is very pleasant.
I think that bird did it.
I know he did, and it's not the first time. Phew! Listen, that may be an old European custom, but you can't pull it and how he wouldn't get away with it.
Pool? Pool? What is pool?
Look, the pelican did it.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, Baron.
Yeah, so am I.
Well, have we seen everything?
Yes, and fellas, let's get out of here.
All right.
Oh, God.